And if a deposition is worth taking, then it's worth videotaping the deposition. Video tells volumes. It tells the whole story.
Video depositions are an important tool lawyers can use to assist them with their case. It's nothing more than your typical deposition, but it's video recorded.
I think the video deposition is a critical part of a lawyer's judgment, and that in a case that has value, it can be the defining moment in the case.
Attorney Jim Kelly says they really make all the difference.
In this day and age, we're making more and more dispositive motions for summary judgment. And how boring is it for a law clerk to have to read transcripts that are this thick? And if you give the law clerk a snippet of a video deposition that has the actual facial expressions of that witness, that can run the table for you.
And John Fisher says one of his cases really benefited from a video deposition and is one he is thankful he caught on camera. The case, which involved a man who was left severely disabled by a train wreck, benefited from what he could show.
The testimony of the treating neurosurgeon was, this guy would have been better off dead. And it was the way that she said it. The words were great, but the way that she said it. Let me just make this simple for you. This guy would have been better off dead. And after we played that testimony to the jurors, because it was a videotaped trial testimony of a treating neurosurgeon, we took a break and the judge took us back, the plaintiff's counsel, back to his chambers and said, you shouldn't call another witness. That was extremely powerful. And so it's not just nonverbal communication. Sometimes it's the tone of the voice, the conviction in the voice, the speed, the pace of their voice, everything, all these nonverbal things. When you're at trial and you're playing on a large projection screen the videotape deposition of a witness, that's far more compelling than simply reading a deposition transcript to the jury, which is so boring, the jurors don't pay attention to it, but when you've got a video clip, you've got their attention.
If you've got a case and there's a witness that's important, you better videotape him. So if a case is worth you taking, then to my mind, it's a case worth videotaping the depositions. And if you think it's too much money to spend it on taking a videotape of a witness, maybe you shouldn't have taken that case in the first place.